Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then select the Accounts option on the left side. On the right side, where it says Office Updates, select the Update Options box, and select where it says Update Now, check for and apply updates for Office. And if you're up to date, it should say that you're up to date. The latest version of Office is installed on your computer. Otherwise, it would then proceed to actually download and install any new updates that were applicable for your version of Excel. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.